Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple, fast, and effective way to get secure internet access using WireGuard, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to create a WireGuard VPN server on your laptop or computer and quickly upload the configuration to your mobile device, all in just a few minutes. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest VPN tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Chrome or any browser on your laptop or PC. Type vpnjantit into the search bar and hit enter. From the search results, click the official website link to access their homepage. On the homepage, click on the free VPN option. A pop-up will appear. From there, select Free WireGuard Server. You'll now be redirected to the server locations page. Simply choose your preferred server location and click on it. You'll see an account creation form. Type in a username and click the Create Username WireGuard button. Wait a few seconds. Congratulations, your WireGuard server is now created successfully. Now you have two options to get the config file. Download the config file, or scan the QR code. For this tutorial, we'll use the QR code scanning method. Open the WireGuard app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the large plus button at the bottom. A new pop-up appears. Choose Scan from QR code. Now, scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Within seconds, the app will recognize the config. Give it any name you like, and it will be imported successfully. Once the config is imported, simply tap the radio button next to the config name. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast, secure WireGuard VPN. Want to add a custom SNI? Just tap the server name to open its details. Then tap the pencil icon on the top right to edit. Scroll to the endpoint field and enter your valid SNI if you have one. Once done, hit save. And that's it. You're now connected to high-speed internet using WireGuard. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who need better, faster, and more secure connections. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.